Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. It is 8:51 a.m. Mountain Time, close to 11 a.m. Eastern Time, September 23rd, Tuesday, 2025. We're seeing mixed on the index right now, mixed results. Nasdaq down 0.3%, Dow Jones up 0.4%, S&P down slightly 0.05%. Nasdaq volume a little bit higher, so this is not a good sign because we could have a distribution day, and NYC volume lower. Okay, let's quickly take a look at the index here. So we have been continuing to climb to new high recently, and today, if we go to intraday, I don't think we make a new high. And right now we are trading at the lows intraday, so we haven't seen any bounce as well, so that's not a good sign. We did see this little hiccup here, so that might be a bad sign. We just couldn't go up, and now it's trying to test the lows. Let's go to SPY. Very similar behavior. It just can't make new high here, and then we are trading near the low. So Dow Jones looks a little bit better. This is where it's positive today. And look at the daily chart, we make new high on this one. So that one looks pretty good. And on Russell, we also make new high. This looks good. So at least today Dow and Russell is leading. So the market has been doing this ongoing. One day the Dow and Russell will lead, the next day S&P and Nasdaq will lead, which kind of helps the market continue to new high every day, but at the same time not get overheated. So far this is a very good sign of for the market. So I just want to, now at some point they might go up together and get overheated. That's when pullbacks will happen, or they will break down together, and that's when things maybe start to pull back, right? So anyhow, so we'll watch closely, see how whether this will sustain itself throughout the day. Let me go to let's look at see if there's any news today. Aerospace IPO tumble. Not sure which stock they're talking about. Hunter got a price hike, but earlier when I checked the price, it wasn't really moving. Let me see. Okay, so it was up, new recent high here. It is down near the bottom range, but still looks overall look healthy. It's coming back on the right side of the base. See if there's any other news here. So Purchasing Manager Index came in at 53.6, slightly lower than in August. But the Service Index top 53.9, topped the projection. Fly tumbled nearly 11%. So this is the IPO, I guess. MU climbed 2.5%. So this one is still going. It is reporting, I think, after hours today. So this may have an impact on all the related stocks here. But it's moving up nicely, 2% today. Yeah, it is reporting after hours. Tesla. Tesla has been pretty hot lately. Yeah, it didn't make a new high this morning, but it's still holding the low from yesterday. Let's see how this behaves. It's only down 0.3% right now, but if it does break down, it will probably come close to the 10-day moving average. Okay, AutoZone fell after missing fourth quarter earnings here. So Fed Powell is supposed to be speaking today, 10:30. Okay, so that's pretty much it on stocks on the move. We are seeing 20 stocks. Let me just make sure I refresh this. And at the bottom is around 47%. So this is pretty high volume day for a lot of this growth stocks here. We have SCI, TSM, DRD in the gold area, TTMI, Microns, Carnival, LTM, RYAAY, Pass Silver, uh, Carnival, Newmont, Gold Stock, Nickel Eagle Mining, Gold Stock, Futu, ASML, Palantir, CLS, SMTR, CCJC, Citigroup, SREP. Let's go to the tech stock, AMD, AMD. It's trying to come back up. So far it's been hugging this 10-day moving average, and it is yesterday it kind of came out of it, but then it pulled back by end of day. Today it's able to climb out again above it. Um, the move is a little bit less than I want to see, right? Like it's only 1%. So yeah, I'm not sure if I trust this move yet. It's not very decisive breakout. Let's quickly take a look at Nvidia. So we have this nice move yesterday, kind of breakout from this trend line right there. However, the normal high point would be here. So far it looks like it got rejected. It's down 2% today. So it needs more time. TSM, very powerful, came out. Yeah, it looks really good. App loving looking pretty good. Still finding support. Look at this morning, it already bounced off the lows. Some stocks are not doing well. Credo yesterday had a really bad reversal. Reddit is also reversing right now, like pulling back pretty strong. So we are seeing some of these stocks not doing well. So not all are equal. That's what's happening. Um, Broadcom, look at this, no power to come back up above the 10-day. Google, it's holding tight near the top, which is pretty good. Like I don't know what else you can ask for after such a run. Oracle had a powerful move yesterday, but today it's pulling back pretty sharply, down 5%. So it's still pretty nice 10-day moving average, but we'll see what happens if it finds support. Okay, Rambus, it's reversing now. It was make a little new high, but it has reversed. STX still going. That looks very strong. WDC in the same area, very strong. Again, this is um, PSTG holding really tight at the top, doesn't want to come down to 10-day, very strong. SITM finding support at the bottom lows here today, looks really good. On the retail side, there's a side, but this one has been so choppy. I kind of decided that I don't want to trade right now. Usually when I don't trade, it will start moving, right? So we'll see. But it's just too choppy. Like I'll show you my trades. It just hasn't worked. See, I have all the green marks where I have traded, and it just hasn't worked. Every time it goes down a little bit, come back down, goes down a little bit, come back down. But overall, it is slowly moving up, so it's better to hold and trade this one. Um, yeah. Okay. Look at industrials was really strong yesterday. Um, CLS, Celestica making new high right now. So we'll see if it moves. This is a very tight consolidation. Um, Aerospace defense are really strong as well today. KRMN making new high. KTOS also making new high. Lot, yeah, this stocks are a symbolic pullback today. So here, after 2 days of run, it pulled back really strong, down 7%. The 10-day slope is still very strong, so we'll see if it finds support soon. XMTR starting to finally move, so we have this tight digestion here, and then now it's taking off. On the health side, we see a little bit of movement. Eton making new recent high. Harrow, this is a pretty big move today, 7%. MDGL, this is starting to move. UTHR, this one, powerful move today. Again, the gold area is probably one of the most strongest group right now. Let's go to GLD, gold price. Here you go, making new high once again. AU making new high. FNV, this one didn't move much, but AGI is bouncing. Here's Barrick Mining, very powerful move, 2 powerful days, and today it's still going. That's that one. QN here, MUX symbol, this one also starting to move. Really nice move there. The gold stocks is really humming lately. This CDE, this one is I got into this late, but it's still working right now. On the silver side, let's look at SLV. They're making new high as well. On the stock side, PAS, Pan American Silver, is starting to come out from the pullback here. And then we have SVM, which is moving really strong this last 2 sessions here, including today. There were some oil gas that are moving big. Unfortunately, I missed LB. This one's bouncing out here. Not sure if there's some news. And then we have Rig, that this one also bounced pretty strong. Transocean here. On the financial side, didn't pretty quiet financials, but bullish here. Still doing really well. A huge correction, but now it's climbing on the right side of the base really fast. Citigroup continue to make new highs here. This very nice chart. Yeah, I mean, and look at some fintech here. See how they're doing. Affirm not moving much. SoFi, this one is still holding tight. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me go back to the main index, see where things at. So let's go to QQQ. It's testing the lows right now, not a good sign. SPY keep making new intraday lows here, also not a good sign. Dow trying to hold the middle ground here, so we'll see if that can hold. And then IWM, this one is still near the high, so that looks pretty good. So thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.